Well, by the looks of it this time, we've now seen a fourth Aeroplane this time anyway. Obviously it's not a Piper this time though, as you can see. But as you can see this time, that was the Premier Robin R.3000-140 we've just seen this time anyway. So yeah, as you can see this time, we've managed to see a Premier Robin R.3000 we've just seen this time anyway. So yeah, as you can see, we've managed to see a Premier Robin R.3000 we've just seen this time. Which, as you can see, the registration is G-BZOL, that is. Which occasionally, I think this is the one I've seen probably at Newquay Airport yesterday though. Occasionally this is the one I've missed taking off. This is the Premier Robin I've missed seeing taken off at Newquay Airport yesterday though. Which unfortunately I've missed it taken off yesterday at Newquay Airport, but I managed to get to see a landing video of it yesterday at Newquay Airport, but obviously not the takeoff part because I missed it anyway. And as you can see, that's the usual call sign. As you can see, it's TAMAR. And just so you can see, roughly from here, it's literally flew in here probably just about 20,000 feet by the looks of it. And that's just taken off from this base at Culm Airport, Newquay. Which this is the one I've been to since yesterday, I believe, with my granddad. But obviously this is the one I've been to yesterday anyway, Culm Airport, Newquay, to do plane spotting. So yeah, this is the plane that I've missed out yesterday apparently. As unfortunately I've missed out seeing it taken off anyway. Fortunately I missed the takeoff part of it yesterday, unfortunately. So yeah. So as you can see, it literally flew in about 19,000, probably about 20,000 feet from here anyway. So as you can see, the call sign, which is the usual call sign, as you can see, is TAMAR. Okay, so yep, hopefully that should be heading back to its base at Newquay Airport very soon, by the looks of it. As you can see, it's now flying past over towards Trud now. Okay, so yeah, at least we managed to see quite a few planes today, but at least we saw two from Bobbin Airfield today, and the other one we've seen was coming from Panporth Airfield, which obviously the other two we've saw today was the Cessna. We've seen a Cessna 152, and the other one we've also seen was a Cessna 172M Skyhawk. So yeah, we've obviously managed to see the two Cornwall Flying Club ones here today apparently. So yeah, and the ones we saw from Panporth, which that was a Piper PA-28-180 that was a GCDEO, that was. Obviously the other two, they were coming from Bobbin Airfield. One was the GEGOA and the other one was GBSM and ZM, I think. Yeah. Anyway, obviously this time we've managed to see a Premier Robin this time anyway, which this one here is the G-BZOL we've seen this time. It's a Premier Robin we've seen this time anyway. So it's that one we've just seen anyway, which is almost a bit like a Piper, but obviously not quite the same width as a Piper anyway. Okay, so, yep, thanks for watching, bye-bye.